Hey, Miss Nosebleed here, your English teacher. What can we learn today? Today we're going to study the expression, a load off my shoulders. What do you think that means? The expression a load off my shoulders means a big relief from responsibility or worry. It means you're so glad that you don't have to worry about it anymore. You can also say a load off my mind. So you can use shoulders or mind when you're expressing that relief, okay? All right, so let's look at how it's used in a conversation. Conversation example number 1. When my sister offered to take care of our mother, it was a huge load off my shoulders. That's good. Now you can focus on your 4 young children. So this means she was relieved that someone else took that responsibility. All right? Okay, now let's look at the second example. All right, example number 2. I got into a car accident. Oh no, everything okay? My insurance company covered my car repairs. That sure was a load off my mind. That's a relief. So as you can see, he was just too happy that the insurance company paid for his car repairs, okay? That sure was a load off my mind. All right? Okay. So now it's your turn. You're going to answer this question. Have you ever had a huge problem and someone helped you right away? Answer in the comment section using the expression. This is a great way for you to practice using the expression in a sentence, okay? So just comment there, don't be shy, and I'm here to help you out, and I'm going to make sure that I'll respond to each one. Okay, all right, thank you guys. That's it, short and sweet. You know what to do. Got any questions? I'll see what I can do. See you next time.